Hello automotive enthusiast. Polestar 5 2026, exploring the structural engineering of the bonded aluminum chassis. Most people look at an electric performance car and immediately ask the same question. How fast is it? But real engineering enthusiasts know the deeper question is far more important. What holds the entire machine together when physics starts fighting back? And that's exactly where the 2026 Polestar 5 becomes fascinating. Because beneath this minimalist Scandinavian design sits one of the most advanced chassis structures ever attempted in a luxury EV. Not steel. Not conventional aluminum. A bonded aluminum architecture inspired by aerospace engineering. And today, we're finding out if this technology truly delivers supercar-level rigidity, or if it's simply futuristic marketing wrapped in Swedish design language. The first thing you notice about the Polestar 5 is how clean it looks. No exaggerated vents. No fake aggression. No unnecessary drama. It feels sculpted rather than designed. But underneath that calm exterior is a chassis built completely differently from most modern electric vehicles. Instead of relying heavily on traditional spot welds, Polestar uses adhesive-bonded aluminum sections that are cold-cured during manufacturing. And that changes everything. Because when you reduce welding points, you reduce heat distortion across the structure. That allows engineers to create an incredibly rigid platform while keeping overall weight lower. In simple terms, the chassis becomes stronger without becoming heavier. And once you start driving the Polestar 5 aggressively, you can actually feel it. At high speed, the body feels incredibly solid. There's no flex. No delayed reactions. No disconnected movement between the suspension and cabin. Everything responds instantly. The steering feels precise. The platform stays composed through fast directional changes. And the car carries itself with the kind of confidence you normally expect from low-volume exotic performance machines. That's the magic of torsional rigidity. Because performance isn't only about horsepower. It's about how effectively the chassis controls energy when the car is loaded under stress. And the Polestar 5 feels engineered around that exact philosophy. But the structural innovation also benefits something else. Battery integration. Since the bonded aluminum platform is lighter and stiffer, engineers can package the battery lower into the structure without compromising stability. That lowers the center of gravity dramatically. Which means this EV doesn't just accelerate hard, it rotates through corners with surprising balance. And somehow, Polestar combines all of this engineering sophistication with classic Scandinavian luxury. Inside, the cabin feels modern without trying too hard. Minimalist materials. Sustainable textiles. Clean digital interfaces.